Hi there! In today's episode we're going to look at planet Jupiter. Now Jupiter is 2.5 times more massive than all the other planets in the solar system combined. Its diameter is approximately 140,000 kilometres, just over 11 times that of the Earth's. And Jupiter is not a failed star. For Jupiter to ignite a nuclear fusion process and become a star, it would need to be 70 times its current mass. Jupiter is the fastest spinning planet in the solar system. The planet only takes about 10 hours to complete a full rotation on its axis. 28,000 miles an hour it spins. The Earth spins at nearly 1,000 miles an hour at its equator. Those beautiful whirling clouds and storms you see on Jupiter are only about 50 kilometers thick. They're made of ammonia crystals, broken up into 2 different cloud decks. The darker material is thought to be compounds brought from deeper inside Jupiter, which then change colour when they react with sunlight. But below those clouds it's just hydrogen and helium all the way down. Now the Great Red Spot is one of its most familiar features. It's a persistent anticyclonic storm which is located just south of the equator, measuring about 24,000 kilometres in diameter. The Great Red Spot was first identified in 1665 by Italian astronomer Giovanni Cassini and was 40,000 kilometres in diameter at that time. So it's shrinking. Will it disappear? Who knows? Jupiter's magnetic field is 14 times stronger than the Earth's, and it has a very faint ring. Jupiter has 67 confirmed named satellites, moons, but it may have 200 tiny, 10 kilometres or smaller, other moons. The ancient Babylonians were the first to identify and record Jupiter, around the 7th or 8th century BC. And Jupiter is named King of the Roman gods. To the Greeks it represented Zeus, the god of thunder. The Mesopotamians saw it as the god Marduk, patron of the city of Babylon. And Germanic North European tribes saw it as Donar or Thor. Jupiter orbits the Sun once every 11.8 years, and its moon Ganymede is the largest in the solar system, measuring 5,268 kilometres across. That makes it larger than the planet Mercury. Now life here on Earth may only exist due to Jupiter. It acts like a vacuum cleaner. Its gravity hoovers up stray asteroids, comets that would otherwise enter the inner solar system if it wasn't there. Well, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please subscribe, as we aim to get videos out released about once a week or so on various astronomical topics. And if there's something that we haven't covered that you'd like to see covered, well, message me below and I'll do my best. I'll certainly respond. So I hope you enjoyed today's show, and thank you for watching, and thank you. See you next time.